Hello guys, welcome again. Myself MD Tariq Anwar. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department at St Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. Today I am going to deliver a lecture that is the last topic of mechanical machine design 2, and I am finishing my subject here, that is last topic of the subject and unit number 4, that is gear tooth failure of the topic, that is unit number 4, that is gear design. So I am discussing here, that is failure of gear tooth, like abrasive wear, corrosive wear, pitting and scoring mechanism in details. So what type of failure which will occur in the gear tooth or on the gear tooth, I'll explaining here. So today I am going to discuss different parts of gear failure. That is, gear failure is, first one is abrasive wear, second is corrosive wear, third one is pitting of gears, and fourth one is scoring. I'll explain each and every point in detail in this video lecture series. So before that, I'll explain what is gear tooth failure. Gear tooth failure can occur in various modes. In this chapter, details of failures are given. If care is taken during the design stage itself to prevent each of these failures, a sound gear design can be evolved. The gear failure is explained by means of flow diagram in the given figure. So gear failure can occur in various modes, various types of mode of failure of gear tooth. So in this chapter, I'll discuss in detail different types of gear tooth failure. So here, see this chart or see this figure, that is modes of gear failure. First one is scoring, due to scoring. Second is wear of gearing or wear of the tooth. Third one is pitting. Fourth one is plastic flow, and fifth one is tooth fracture. So scoring is further classified as initial scoring, moderate scoring, destructive scoring, and frosting. Wear is classified as adhesive wear or abrasive wear and corrosive wear. But adhesive wear is also further classified as polishing, moderate wear, and severe wear. Pitting is classified as subsurface origin failure and surface origin failure. So subsurface origin failure is further classified as initial pitting, destructive pitting, and case crushing. And surface origin failure is classified as initial pitting and destructive pitting. Then plastic flow is classified as, again, that is cold flow, ridging, and rippling. Tooth fracture is classified as fatigue breaking and overload breaking. So I'll explain important points in this video lecture series. I'll cover what is scoring, what is abrasive wear, what is pitting. So wait for that. These are the different modes of failure already explained. So now we'll discuss abrasive wear. What is abrasive wear? Abrasive wear is the principal reason for the failure of open gearing and closed gearing of machinery operating in media polluted by abrasive materials. Examples are mining machinery, cement mills, road laying, building construction, agricultural and transportation machinery, and certain other machines. What is abrasive wear? Abrasive wear is the principal reason for the failure of open gearing and closed gearing of machinery operating in media polluted by abrasive material. जहाँ abrasive material present हो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, abrasive wear होगा gear tooth. So I have discussed here, that is examples: cement mill, machinery, agricultural and transportation machinery, etc. In all these cases, depending on the size, shape and concentration of the abrasives, the wear will change. Abrasive wear is classified as mild and severe. So first we will discuss mild abrasion. Mild abrasion is noticed when there is ingress of fine dust particles in lubricating oil which are abrasive in nature. What is ingress? Ingress means action of entering. So ingress of fine dust particles, क्या हो रहा है? Enter कर रहा fine dust particle in lubricating oil which are abrasive in nature. Since abrasive is very fine, the rate of metal removal is slow. It takes a long time for failure. So this is the example, that is mild abrasion example, which is showing with the help of figure number A. So I'll explain this part, that is in the next slide. That is, the surface appears as though it is polished. A spiral bevel pinion with mild abrasion is shown in figure A. Mild abrasive wear is faced in cement mills. ये कहाँ देखा जा सकता है? It can be shown in cement mills or grinding mills. Fine dust particles entering the lubricating medium cause the body abrasion, or cause the tooth body abrasion. The prior machining marks disappear and surface appears highly polished as shown in figure B. See the figure number B here. So noticeable wear occurs only over a long time. Sealing improvement and slight pressurization of the gearbox with air can reduce the entry of dust particles and decrease this wear. हम इसको कैसे reduce कर सकते हैं? Improvement, sealing and slight pressurization of gearbox with air can reduce the entry of dust particles and decreases this wear. So this is figure number B, that is mild abrasion. Now another part of abrasive wear, that is causes of abrasive wear. Foreign particles in the lubricant like dirt, rust, welded spatter or metallic debris can scratch the tooth surface. These are the causes of abrasive wear of the gear tooth. Remedy: provision of oil filters. Oil filter you have to provide. Increasing surface hardness, that is gear tooth surface, and use of high viscosity oils. So these are the remedy: provision of oil filters, increasing surface hardness, use of high viscosity oils. Now we will discuss abrasive wear, that is third part is severe abrasion. This wear occurs due to ingress of larger abrasive particle in the lubricating medium and higher concentration of the particles. You know the ingress. इस केस में क्या हो रहा है? Larger abrasive particles are entering in the lubricating medium and higher concentration of the particles. The particles will plow a series of grooves on the surface in the direction of sliding on the gear tooth as shown in the figure, or as can be seen or could be seen in the figure number C. High rate of wear in this case will quickly reduce the tooth thickness, and thin tooth may later on fracture, leading to total failure of the tooth. So क्या हो रहा है इसमें? See this diagram. This direction में slide कर रहा है, उस direction में क्या होगा? Wear होगा. So this is known as severe abrasion of the gear tooth. Now we'll discuss next or important point of gear tooth failure, that is corrosive wear. Corrosive wear is due to the chemical action of the lubricating oil or the additives tooth is roughened due to wear and can be seen in figure number D1. Chemical wear of the flanks of internal gear caused by acidic lubricant is shown in figure number D2. So corrosive wear is due to the chemical action of the lubricating oil or the additives. So this is known as corrosive wear. See this diagram, that is figure number D1 and that is figure number D2. This is the example of corrosive wear. Now another part of corrosive wear, that is causes of corrosive wear. Corrosive of the tooth is caused by the corrosive elements. Corrosion कैसे होगा? Corrosive wear of tooth कैसे होगा? By corrosive elements such as extreme pressure additives present in lubricating oils and presence of foreign materials in between the gear tooth. So there will be a corrosive wear in the gear tooth. Remedies are as follows. First one is providing complete enclosure for the gears free from external contamination. Second is selecting proper additives. Third one is replacing the lubricating oil at regular intervals. So remedies are, first one, to provide complete enclosure for the gears free from external contamination. इस टाइप से हम enclosure बनाएंगे, क्लोज रखेंगे, so external contamination will not be possible. Selecting or selection of proper additives जो corrosive wear को prevent करेगा. And third one is replacing the lubricating oil at regular interval. So lubricating oil को हम क्या करेंगे? At regular interval change करेंगे. So these are the remedies of corrosive wears. Now we will discuss very important point, that is pitting of gears. What is pitting of gears? See here, pitting is a surface fatigue failure of the gear tooth. क्या है ये? Pitting is a surface fatigue failure of the gear tooth. Already explained in the last video lecture से what is fatigue, क्योंकि बार बार वो साइक्लिक लोड एक्ट कर रहा है उस पर. You know that surface fatigue failure of the gear tooth. It occurs due to repeated loading of tooth surface and the contact stresses exceeding the surface fatigue strength of the material. जो contact stress आ रहा वो क्या है? Exceed कर रहा है surface fatigue strength of the materials. So material in the fatigue region gets removed and a pit is formed. What is pit? A small छोटे छोटे parts और pitting गड्ढा हो जाएगा छोटे छोटे. The pit itself will cause a stress concentration and soon the pitting spreads to adjacent region till the whole surface is covered. Subsequently, higher impact load resulting from pitting may cause fracture of already weakened tooth. Now it is clear what is the pitting. Smaller particles or smaller pit will form on the gear tooth. और क्या होगा? It will spreads on the gear tooth on the whole surface and subsequently जब लोड लगेगा it may cause fracture of already weakened tooth due to pitting. So however, the failure process takes place over millions of cycles of running. ऐसा नहीं कि फर्स्ट टाइम पे फेल हो जाएगा. It will take millions of cycles of running. There are two types of pitting, that is initial pitting and progressive pitting. So here pitting of gears, that is first is initial or incipient pitting. See this diagram, a smaller pits are present in this diagram. So initial pitting occurs during running in period wherein oversized peaks on the surface get dislodged and a small pits of 25 to 50 micrometer deep are formed just below pitch line region. कहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा? पिच लाइन रीजन. Later on the load gets distributed over a larger surface area and the stress comes down, which may stop the progress of pitting. This is the initial pitting example that is shown in the figure number E. Now we will discuss pitting of gears. Another part, that is in the helical gear shown in figure E, pitting started as a local overload due to slight misalignment and progressed across the tooth in the dedendum portion to mid face. कहाँ से कहाँ तक मूव करेगा? In the dedendum portion to mid face. Here the pitting stopped and the pitted surfaces began to polish up and burnish over. This phenomenon is common with medium hard gears. On gears of material that run in well, pitting may cease after running in, and it has practically no effect on the performance of the drive, since the pits that are formed gradually becomes smoothed over from the rolling action. जैसे जैसे रोल करेगा ये पिटिंग गायब हो जाएगा. The initial pitting is non-progressive. Clear? Now, causes of pitting, that is initial pitting. Causes is errors in tooth profile. Tooth profile अगर different है, error है, तो this is the causes of initial pitting. Surface irregularities or misalignment. Remedies are as follows: precise machining of gears. Second one is correct alignment of gears, and third one is reducing the dynamic loads on the gear. Now, progressive or destructive pitting. See this diagram. During initial pitting, if the loads are high and corrective action of initial pitting is unable to suppress the pitting progress, then destructive pitting sets in. Pitting. Clear? So during initial pitting, if the loads are high and the corrective action of initial pitting is unable to suppress the pitting progress, then destructive pitting sets in pitting. तो pitting क्या करता है? Progressive और destructive pitting will occur जब हम इसको कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं. See this diagram, that is spreads all over the tooth length. पूरे tooth पे वो फैल जाता है. Pitting leads to higher pressure on the unpitted surface, squeezing the lubricant into the pits, and finally to seizing of surfaces. Lubricant will squeeze in the pits, and finally to seizing of surfaces. So this is figure number F showing destructive pitting. Tooth surface destroyed by extensive pitting. Pitting begins on the tooth flanks near the line along the tooth passing through the pitch point, where there are high friction forces due to the low sliding velocity. वहाँ पे क्या हो, sliding very less, वहाँ से move कर रहा है gear. So pitch line, you know the pitch points पे ही move करता है gear. So through the pitch point where there are high friction forces due to the low sliding velocity, then it spreads to the whole surface of the flank. Tooth faces are subjected to pitting only in rare cases, that is figure number F already shown. How in destructive pitting has spread over the whole tooth and weakened tooth has fracture at the tip leading to total failure. पहले कहाँ फेल होगा? टिप पे फेल होगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा? टोटल फेलियर हो जाएगा. See figure number G, that is whole tooth is destroyed by extensive pitting. Now we will discuss destructive pitting. What is the causes of destructive pitting? There is a load on the gear tooth exceeds the surface endurance strength of the material. जो gear tooth पे जो load लग रहा है वो क्या हो रहा है? Load on the gear tooth exceeds the surface endurance strength of the material. What are the remedies? Remedies are designing the gears in such a way that the wear strength of the gear tooth is more than the sum of static and dynamic loads. इस तरह डिज़ाइन करना है हमको कि wear strength of the gear tooth is more than the sum of static and dynamic loads. And second remedies or second process is, that is, the surface endurance strength can be improved by increasing the surface hardness. Surface hardness increase करके we can endurance strength can be improved. Now we'll discuss last point, that is scoring. What is scoring? Scoring is due to combination of two distinct activities. First, lubrication failure in the contact region, and second, establishment of metal to metal contact. Later on, welding and tearing action resulting from metallic contact removes the metal rapidly and continuously. So far, load, speed and oil temperature remains at the same level. So we can say that scoring is due to combination of two distinct activities. First is lubrication failure in the contact region, and second is establishment of metal to metal contact. Later on, welding and tearing action resulting from metallic contact removes the metal rapidly and continuously. So far, the load, speed and oil temperature remains at the same level. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, चेंजेस हो जाएगा. The scoring is classified into initial, moderate and destructive scoring. So first we will discuss initial scoring. Initial scoring occurs at the high spots left by previous machining. Lubrication failure at these spots leads to initial scoring or scuffing, as shown in figure number H. This is the figure. Once these high spots are removed, the stress comes down as the load is distributed over a larger area. The scoring will then stop if the load, speed and temperature of the oil remain unchanged or reduced. Initial scoring is non-progressive and has corrective action associated with it. मतलब क्या है कि initial scoring जो हो रहा है वो can be corrected. So this is the initial scoring example or figure. Now we will discuss moderate scoring. After initial scoring, if the load, speed or oil temperature increases, the scoring will spread over a larger area. The scoring progresses at tolerate rate. This is called moderate scoring, as shown in figure number I. See this figure? ये क्या हो रहा है, पूरे एरिया में फैल हो रहा है वाइट कलर से. See the figure here? That is moderate scoring, as shown in figure number I. That is moderate scoring. Now last point, that is scoring. First is initial scoring, second is moderate scoring, and third one is destructive scoring. After the initial scoring, if the load, speed or oil temperature increases appreciably, then severe scoring sets in with heavy metal from regions spreading quickly throughout, as shown in figure number J. The scoring is normally predominant over the pitch line region, since elasto-hydrodynamic lubrication is the least at that region. In dry running surfaces may cease. अगर dry running है surface may cease. So this is the example of destructive scoring. See that. This is the, see this part, that is destructive scoring. See this figure. And last point of scoring of today's topic, that is I am finishing my mechanical machine design subject, that is gear tooth failure. So I am describing or explaining the causes of scoring. The causes of scoring are as follows: excessive surface pressure, बहुत ज़्यादा अगर प्रेशर लेगा सरफेस पे तो स्कोरिंग होगा. हाई सरफेस स्पीड, and third one is inadequate supply of lubricant results in the breakdown of the oil film. अगर हम सप्लाई लिब्रिकेंट का प्रॉपर नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ऑयल फिल्म विल ब्रेक डाउन, ऑयल फिल्म वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट नहीं रहेगा। रेमेडीज आर एज फॉलोज, दैट इज सेलेक्टिंग द पैरामीटर्स सच एज सरफेस स्पीड, surface pressure and the flow of lubricant in such a way that the resulting temperature at the contacting surfaces is within permissible limits। क्लियर? ऐसा पैरामीटर सेलेक्ट करना है कि सरफेस स्पीड, सरफेस प्रेशर एंड फ्लो ऑफ लुब्रिकेंट जो है प्रॉपर वे में रहे, विद इन परमिसिबल लिमिट्स। एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट दैट इज रेमेडीज, the bulk temperature of the lubricant can be reduced by providing fins on the outside surface of the gearbox and a fan for force circulation of air over the fins, so that पूरा सिस्टम जो है कूल्ड रहे। So this was the topic, that is gear tooth failure, abrasive wear, corrosive wear, pitting and scoring. I covered all the topic in detail here. You can refer this video to understand the concept of gear tooth failure. So I am finishing my topic of, that is mechanical machine design subject 2 today. So I'll meet you in the next video lecture series in the next semester with new topics. So thank you guys.